PBA champions ang inyong Meralco Balls. Pero bago yan, bigyan muna natin ng message ang syempre ang kanilang head coach, the 6-time champion, Coach Luigi Trillo. Coach Luigi, a round of applause naman mga ka-PBA. Coach Luigi, maraming salamat for making it here. At syempre, Coach Luigi, congratulations. First PBA champion ng Meralco Balls. Okay, it is your 6th time as a champion, Coach. Let me correct that. So, yun naman, Coach, how does it truly feel na at least makuha na ang championship ng Meralco Balls dito sa PBA Philippine Cup?
First of all, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for coming out, fans. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. It feels very gratifying to be here. We're honored to be here. It's a long time coming. You know, the ball club joined yung PBA in 2010. We've been to 4 finals nga, and then finally nakamit natin yung kampyonato against San Miguel, right? But maraming salamat po. I just want to say also to these guys, we want to say thank you for them. They're a group of guys led by obviously our captain, Lou, our good management also. Palakpakan po natin, Chris Lusang.
Coach, can you talk us over dun sa final seconds ng Game 6? How was the play designed for Chris to take that last shot? And ano yung mga possible options na ibibigay mo dun sa team in order to get the championship on Game 6?
Yeah, well, you know, Chris is used to those type of shots. So he's done it in the ESL, he's done it a couple of times in the pandemic. Coach Leonard diagrammed the play. He knows who likes those fadeaway shots, and he answered. Bulog ng langit nga, no? Akala namin yung kay Junmar, yung pangalawang tira niya, papasok rin. So, salamat na hindi pumasok yun, right? If not, we would probably be going to a Game 7.
Alright, thank you so much, Coach. And lastly, how about your message to all the fans, the Meralco Balls fans, sa lahat ng mga naniwala sa inyo, iniwan ng Meralco Balls fans, ano po masasabi niyo sa kanila?
Before I say, let's chant Meralco. I want to hear the fans kung nandito po kayo. Meralco and 3, ha? 1, 2, 3. Meralco! Meralco!
Everybody now!
Meralco! Teka. Ina, isa pa. Mas malakas naman dyan. One more. 1, 2, 3. Meralco! 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 Meralco!
Thank you very much once again, 6-time champion, Coach Luigi Trillo, mga ka-PBA. Maraming salamat, Coach. At ngayon naman, mga ka-PBA, bigyan natin ng message ang ating mga players. Okay, simulan natin. I'm sure ready na kayo marinig ang mga message nila. Let's start off with Jansen Rios. A round of applause, mga ka-PBA.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. On behalf of Meralco Balls, thank you for coming. Sobrang thankful kami kasi nakuha namin yung thank you.
Thank you very much, Jansen. How about the next one, Diego Dario, mga ka-PBA?
Hi guys, maraming salamat sa pag-support sa team, and of course to all the players, the coaches, of course the management that made it all happen. Maraming salamat na nandun kayo every step of the way, and you know, we're gonna enjoy this moment and go back to work. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, so Diego, up next is Alvin Basol, mga ka-PBA.
Good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo dito at sa pagsuporta sa Meralco.
Thank you so much, Alvin. How about Mr. Ray Morose?
Good afternoon sa lahat. Papasalamat kami na nandito kayo and then sa mga games namin na andyan kayo palagi sa amin na palagi nagsusuporta. Thank you, Masalan.
Thank you very much, Raymar. How about our next player, mga ka-PBA, Norbert Torres?
Thank you everyone for supporting us, supporting PBA, supporting Meralco Balls, and it means so much to us when we see you guys there at the game and supporting us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Up next is Kyle Pascual.
Good afternoon everyone.
I just want to say thank you to all the fans. Thank you for being here today, and thank you for all the support from all the games. And we hear your cheers, and we appreciate it so much. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much, Kyle. How about our next player?
Hindi niya nakuha yan. Pasok lang tayo dito. Meron kang consolation prize na makukuha. How about our next contestant? 10 seconds for you. Let's go! Ayan, medyo madali lang yan. Pasok mo lang yung sarili mo dyan, Kabibe. 3, 2, 1. Nakapasok na! Yes! You're a winner! Come on! Let's check out our next contestant! 10 seconds for you, Kabibe. Let's go! 10, 9. You have to twist your body to go inside that gesture. 10 seconds. No, unfortunately, hindi niya nakuha. Okay, thank you very much for trying. And we have our last contestant on this. Let's go! Ayan na, ayan, medyo madali ito, Kabibe. Pasok mo na yung sarili mo dyan. After this, we will be having a fan engagement with the players and with the fans. Nakapasok ba mga Kabibe? Yes, congratulations! You're a winner! And that is your PBA wall game. So ngayon naman mga Kabibe, I'm sure gusto niyo namang mahawakan. Gusto niyo bang mahawakan? Siyempre, hindi rin papatalo. Andiyan din si Monkito! Mga lucky ones ngayon, mga napipili natin. Up next is Brandon Bates! We also have Diego Nario! And last but not the least is Chris Vaquero! I said, so meron tayo napiling na mga pre-selected contestants to participate in this game. Alam naman natin how this works, okay? We all know how this works game, di ba? So, mag-play tayo ng music, and then, pagkatapos natin i-play ang music, mag-i-stop ito. Once nag-stop, kailangan si player o si champion makapasok sa loob ng paper, okay? And then, he will just have to lift his partner. Let's check kung sinong matibay dito mga Kabibe. Let's start our PBA paper dance game. Let's cue the music. Let's go. DJ Sherwin. Pwede kayo sumayaw dyan. Come on. Dance with your chicken. Pwede nyo kausapin yung mga partners ninyo. Okay! In 3, 2, 1. Okay, nakapasok lahat mga Kabibe. Let's now try to fold the newspaper this time. It'll be harder for them to get inside that newspaper. Kasha kaya? Can it fit? What do you think, guys? Can it fit? I think it can. Okay, let's start off. Mia, wow! What's your name? Christine, okay? Simon, how about you? Ano pangalan mo? Pia, again? Melissa, okay. Mga Kabibe, sa tingin ninyo, sino mananalo? Sino? Among the 5 players.
champions sa ating. Okay, count to 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Okay, so out si Anjo. Out na si Anjo. And we still have 4 more. Okay, pasok pa rin si Chris, si Diego. Once again, play that music. Okay! O yun o! Swerte naman ang nanay Diego. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, naat na si Chris Manguero. Tatlo na lang, si Chris Newsom, si Wong, tsaka si Diego. Okay. It's not. Come on, man. Alright, thank you very, very much. Okay. Tatlo na lang, mga kapigay. Kung hindi pa pwede, isa lang daw ang pwede manalo. There's only gotta be one that will be emerged as victor for this game. Come on, no. Chris, pasok ka pa din. Pasok pa si Chris. Okay, come on, Chris. One more bowl, guys. I think this will be ending the game at this point. Let's check who will emerge as winners for this game. Once again, let's start. Naka-poll na ba? Naka-poll na sila? Balik lang tayo. Masyado na maliit. Okay. Yan. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Patagalan lang. Patagalan. Pag nag-count ka ba ng 5, that will be starting off with the countdown. Okay? Let's start off with this. I think this is going to be the final round. Alright, DJ Sherwin, spin that music one more time. Yeah. Sino gusto niyo manalo? Sino ang may boto kay Joe? Mag-ingay! Sino may boto kay Bo? Mag-ingay! Sino may boto kay Chris? Mag-ingay! Okay, 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, patagalan, let's go! Sino kaya kamimi ang unang babagsak? Matibay si Joe, si Diego. Matigas, matibay ang tuhod, pati naman si Bobby. Okay, babagsak na si Diego. Si Bong at tibay. Hindi ka naman magiging PBA player kung hindi matibay ang tuhod mo. Si Chris Newsom, grabe, kahit ang laki ng paa. Pasok! Sino? Ayan talaga. Patindihan to. Chris Newsom and Bongito. Sa tingin nyo, guys, sino man nanalo siya? Oh! And we have a winner. And the winner is Bongito! Thank you so much, guys, for participating. Thank you very, very much, guys. We will be awarding prizes to you, courtesy of our sponsor. Okay, thank you very, very much. Can we get a